Hello everyone, my name is Rival Paramatani Pao and I want to introduce for my member groups. There are Muhammad Aidil, Febriani Nento, and the last Iklima Ayu Aprilia. So let's move on for the explanation. Bye bye!
Content and analysis. Data hacking is the act of unauthorized access to computer system or network to steal, alter, or destroy sensitive data. Hacker exploit system vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access with goals such as identity theft, financial loss, or operational disruptions. Case analysis. Tokopedia user data breach 2020. In May 2020, a massive data breach occurred on the e-commerce platform Tokopedia. A hacker managed to steal personal data from more than 91 million users' accounts, including names, emails, phone numbers, and hashed passwords. The stolen data was later sold on an international hacker forum for around 5,000 US dollar. The nature of the digital content in this case is user personal data, which should have been private and protected, but instead became publicly accessible on the internet. This incident raised serious concerns about data security and digital ethics in Indonesia.
In the case, the violated principle of digital literacy are the first digital privacy violation. Tokopedia failed to protect its user personal data. Confidential information was leaked to the public without consent, thus violating individuals' right to privacy in the digital space. The second, weak data security. Digital security breach. The platform's security system was not strong enough to prevent hacking. This indicates a lack of implementation of the principle, protect personal information and secure digital access. Stakeholder impact. First, identification of stakeholder. Tokopedia user was personal information, name, email, phone number, and hashed password was stolen and leaked. Tokopedia company were severely damaged was reputation and public trust. Hacker the perpetrators who illegally accessed and sold the data. Government and cybersecurity institutions responsible for monitoring and enforcing data protection laws. Public internet community indirectly offset due to fear of online transaction and privacy concerns.
Second is impact analysis. A. Impact on users. Millions of users experience potential privacy risk. Their personal data could be misused for scams, spam, phishing, or identity theft. This incident also reduced their sense of security when using digital platforms. B. Impact on Tokopedia. Tokopedia's brand credibility declined as users questioned the company's commitment to data protection. The company faced criticism for the public and government, forcing them to upgrade their security systems and transparency policies. C. Impact on hackers. Although they gained money by selling stolen data, their actions are illegal and unethical. This violates the core value of digital integrity and leads to potential criminal prosecution. D. Impact on government and institutions. The incident pushed the Indonesian government to strengthen regulations on data protection and accelerate the discussion of the Personal Data Protection Bill. Impact on the public. The general public became more aware of the importance protecting personal data online. However, It also created fear and distrust toward e-commerce and digital service in Indonesia.